questions about your garage door? You're going to want to see this.
Hi, I'm Greg with D&G Garage Doors, and we're here inside of a garage. I apologize about the lighting. There's going to be a lot of shadows, but I have an operator here that's the highest technical operator that's out there. It's brand new. It's from Liftmaster. It's called the Jack Shaft 3800. It's a DC motor. It's super quiet, and it installs on the side of your garage door, and it is connected to your torsion tube, and it turns your torsion tube and lifts your garage door, rather than a normal standard operator that has the boom right down the middle of your garage door, and it actually pulls on the top panel of your door, which if your springs go bad, you could end up pulling this whole top panel and this panel in. I've seen it a lot. So the niceness about having the new 3800 is it never touches your garage door. It comes with a lifetime guarantee on the motor. We are one of the only companies in Las Vegas that sell them and install them. We've done quite a few of them. We are professional at it, and it's just top of the line. One other feature with this operator is the wall button that I'll show you now. Okay, now at the wall button, this actually is your button that opens and closes the door. You have the digital time and temperature gauge. You can tell it's very hot in this garage right now, and it's 622. It's always on time and the temperature's always correct. This part of your wall button is a motion sensor. So when you walk out from your house into your garage, your lights automatically come on. You don't have to flick your switch on. It just automatically comes on. And you also have a lock mechanism where you hold this down for 30 seconds and let go, and nobody can use a remote control from outside to open your door. Neither can you, actually. So you have to come back in and physically hold that for 3 seconds, and then unlocks itself. Plus you have another light button where you can turn your light on and off. Okay, and so now we're going to show how the jack shaft actually works. It's a real quiet motor. You're going to want to pay attention to that. And one thing too, if you can see it, this is your slack tensioner. It always makes sure that there's tension in your cables so your door doesn't go off track. If there becomes any slack, the motor stops itself. But here's it going in motion. And one nice thing that we are doing as D&G Garage Doors, we are throwing in free keyless entry where you punch in a 4-digit code, push your enter button, and that will open and close your door. We also have these in fingerprint keyless entries where it stores 10 fingerprints. You can put your whole family's fingerprint on here, and it's like James Bond. Okay, I had a good idea. I wanted to bring you guys in to look at a model of the jack shaft operator, and also be able to show you the keyless entry that has the fingerprint keyless entry. So you'd slide open your door here, and you just rub your finger across, and my finger's already programmed. It turns it on just like a keyless entry or a remote would. And one thing to pay attention to is this has an automatic lock. So once this is done, the lock flips by itself. And this here is also going to be your same thing as at the house. It's got your slack tensioner. It's got you're able to put a battery backup system on this, where if there's the power goes out, your motor will still run for about 48 hours on battery power. It's just the whole same system as at the house, and that's just a great system, top of the line, best product you can get.